Hello.com everyone. This really about show here how to not snapping grid. It's really to be satisfied with making something that is still to be about to have to tag and snap to pixel it off. Okay, to pixel the grid off. And then once you do that, you will start to go for turn off the layer layout grids, which is really when you see the grids is really about when you see here on this one, you can start to go to layout grid and then start to turn it off from over here with size 0 maybe. Okay, no, not maybe about 0, 100. Okay, not 100 even. So you will start to turn off this grid as you can see with the minus sync, and almost you can start to hold the CMD control over snapping and move freely.